Here we go.
This watch includes the following counties in New York: Albany, Columbia, Fulton, Greene, Montgomery, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Warren, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area.
Everyone's in it.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Here's a thing that I am curious about. Why is thunder and storm only 2 words on the WR100? Oh! Oh my god!
Northwestern Fulton County in eastern New York, southern Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
Okay, I wasn't expecting that.
10 miles northeast of Utica, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Oh, Utica.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I was not expecting that.
Intended to include Dilgetto, Newport, Middleville, Poland, Coldbrook, Oppenheim, Fairfield, Norway, Curtis, Carroll Corner, Countryman, Wattsville, Rossbach Corner, Dockstader Corner, Burrell Corners, Shed Corners, Hurricane, Eatonville, Old City, and Gray. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton and Herkimer.
Oh, Fulton and Herkimer. Alright.
Western Fulton County in eastern New York, southern Herkimer County in eastern New York, northwestern Montgomery County in eastern New York, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clayville or near New Hartford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ilion, Kirkmore, Little Falls, Mohawk, Frankfort, Dilgetto, St. Johnsville, Newport, Stratford, Middleville, Jordanville, Chicago, Oppenheim, Fairfield, Elizabethtown, Warren, Norway, Ingham Mills, Spinnerville, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton, Herkimer, and Montgomery.
Oh, those counties?
In eastern New York, Montgomery County in eastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Johnsville, or 8 miles northwest of Canajoharie, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amsterdam, Gloversville, Johnstown, Canajoharie, Fonda, Fort Plain, Dilgeville, St. Johnsville, Ephrata, Rhode Island, Hageman, Mayfield, Fort Johnson, Ames, Tribes Hill, Caroga Lake Public Campground, Perth, Glen, Oppenheim, and Berkshire. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton, Montgomery, and Schenectady.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Consider seeking shelter inside a building. In East Central New York, Northern Washington County, in East Central New York, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
another
located
SVR
near
for
Manila,
Washington.
or 17 miles north of Warrensburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Currently at McDonald's right now.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
There's a
hail
lot of
damage to
commotion going
vehicles
on.
is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnsburg, Hague, Rogers Rock Campground, Eagle Point Campground, Spruan Manor Public Campground, Chestertown, North Creek, Hewlett's Landing, West Haven, Putnam, Wright, Sodom, Chipman Point, Starbuckville, Lowhampton, Edwards Hill, Wevertown,
Is a tornado possible? I'm not too
Station,
sure.
Pottersville, and Holcombville. For your protection,
No, it's
move
not
to an
tornado
interior
possible because
room
they would
on
have
the
said
lowest
remain
floor
alert
of
for a
a
possible
building.
tornado.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been
my
issued
God, that
until
scared me.
3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Warren, and Washington.
Okay, Warren and Washington.
Flood warning in effect until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Replaces flood advisory. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of eastern New York, including the following counties: Fulton, Herkimer, and Montgomery. When? Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported washed-out roads in Frankfurt due to heavy rain from thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ilion, Herkimer, Little Falls, Mohawk, Frankfurt, Dilgeville, Jordanville, Oppenheim, Elizabethtown, Jacksonburg, Fort Herkimer, East Herkimer, Eddix, Wright's Corners, Paynes Hollow, Days Rock, Deck, Fig Basin, Smith Corners, and Newville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Flash flood warning, that's interesting.
National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for Central Oswego County until 6:45 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
The heck?
Or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cooperstown, Hartley, Egmeston, Pittsfield, New Berlin, Milford, Bowerstown, Westfield, Burlington, Index, Topsville, South Edmeston, and Lamb's Corners. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.